Atok is one of the best projects. People are making money from it currently. So you can see this, and also this. But this depends on how you will be participate in it. And aside of this money, there will be a TG token generation event, which is Q4 of 2025. And you look at their X account here, they said a massive milestone unlocked, 250,000 plus Atok holders. This isn't just a number, it is a turning point as we head toward Atok TG in Q4 2025. The closer we get, the scarcer Atok becomes. To all our holders, hold tight, accumulate as much Atok as you can while you still can. Over time, earning Atok will only get harder. We are building something unstoppable together. This community is the core of Atok, and the best is yet to come. So in this video, I am going to show you step by step how to start on this project. So stick around until the end so you don't miss any important parts of this video. But before we dive in, if you are new here, what we do on this channel is talk about different ways to make money online and share the latest updates in crypto. So if you are interested, consider to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share, comment, and check the description section or the comment section of this video, and join my Telegram channel. Link will be in the description section or the comment section of this video. So you want to tap on the link, it will bring it here. So here, if you haven't create your account, you create your account by signing up and the code. So here is the code already. So you just type your email. If you type the gmail.com is already there, so you delete and type the middle one. So here you sign up. By me, I have an account already, so I will log in. So here tap on login. So you see the procedure, and I'll log in. Not a robot. To complete the recap, you can see an email sent to my Gmail. So we are going to copy the code. I paste the code. So you can see it's required to enter my app. So I have logged in. So it is simple as if the account creation. So here every day we come to check in, because here you can see next check-in 46 minutes and some seconds is reading. So how to earn this platform? Daily check-in, come to the avatar section here. So here you see today answer. You come here, so daily reward is 6%. So you come to answer what is your top priority when selecting a sport where you tap and then tap confirm. How often do you eat out? You tap anything you want, one a day. Create local environment issue concern you most, others confirm. So here please wait a moment. So you can see you have received 0.15 points. So I am on level 65. Okay, and tap collect. So you can watch us to boost your earnings. So me, I will not watch you, not now, then come back. Another way to earn also is by playing their games. This is their ruler. So here you use 5 Atok for each spin. So you tap on it, it will let me tap on this. Let's see what I'll earn. So let's see this. I've earned 5, the same 5. So it's simple. So the same 5, and come back here, you see the jackpots. Here we come to the center. Here you can see daily mission. So every day you come and watch us and ask you a question like what is they can bring Milo and bring what is the color of the Milo is green, and you select it and you receive your reward. So guys, get in this project away. So we're going to check your amount or the equivalent of USDT you have. Based on this point, you tap on the manage here. You can see I have 22 USDT here of 1000. So get here, you see spin. Now you tap on the spin and tap on it. After that, you see I'll earn something here. So this is an ask, so ask will play, or click the link below. After that ask, and you can see I earn 1.7 Atok. So tap on collect. So this is how you can accumulate mass as Atok. You can, so you want to contact them. If you face any problem, tap on contact support. They are on Telegram, so reach them out. So guys, you want to refer your friend, tap on this profile section here. You can see your referral link and your code. You can turn on your biometric. You can also long delete your account and others. You're going to change your profile. So this is how. In my next video, I will show you how to withdraw. If you want to withdraw your fund to MetaMask or let's see, any Web3 you want, Trust Wallet, you tap on the manage. You can see transfer. You can see limit is 1000 and the minimum is 500 Atoks. Sorry, 200 Atok. Yeah, so that is it. So you can withdraw, you can receive also Atok and NFT. You can also scan your friend QR code to get started. It's simple. So guys, the reason why I advise you to start on this project is that after you can withdraw instantly once you have mined some Atok, minimum of 200 Atok. This project will last on Q4 of this year, and if you say quarter of in crypto, quarter is first quarter is January, February, March is Q1, April, May, June is Q2, July, August, September Q3, and October, November, December is Q4. So Q4 is, now we are on October, so November, December is Q4. So there are much time to start on this project, because from October, November, December is enough time to start. So if you are interested, consider to subscribe to this channel, like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that if I drop any update like this, you don't miss. See you guys in my next video.